Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 Classic. Big bore V-twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got the batwing fairing, passenger and rider backrest, Viking saddlebags. Wait till you hear that exhaust, Vance and Hines. I hope your neighbors live far away because this bike is loud. Belt drive, heel toe 6-speed shifter. Come on by, make your 1700cc dreams come true. This awesome Vulcan Classic for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.